EE, the number 1. From the block Toyota Veloz, all new, 2024. Going to the red one. And today mga boss, naana sa i-check nga unit. It's a gray color. So once again, your Kuya Elmar here. So it's John 16, 2025. So it's first day of school. Back to school bukol na sad. Balik na sa pagka-estudyante ani mga boss. So for today's demo mga boss, this is the continuation sa ato ang client or buyer from Siquijor nga who wants to drive our all new 2024 Toyota Veloz. But yalang gyud i-compare which of these three colors ang iyahang mapusuan gyud. Well, wa gyunay problema mga boss. Here at Kuya Elmer Auto Trade, like I always said, we can choose, we can select, we can compare more than 3,000 of units to choose from. So let's go mga boss at i-check ang gray color. So mga boss, finally naabot na sa unit. It is the third choice color sa ato ang buyer. So like I said, first color nga choice sir is the black one, then the red one, and this one silver, di ba? Silver color. So this is only 9,000 km runs from the first owner. Of course, good as new ang unit, super kayo kahinog. Sama sa nag-video.